Imagine bringing your craziest augmented reality ideas to life, not months from now, but today. That's what Lens Studio from Snap makes possible. I'm your boy Jay Dunn, and if you've ever wanted to make your own AR effects, games, or filters, but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Lens Studio makes it easy, fun, and honestly, it's extremely creative. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's set the scene. You know how most creative tools feel like they require a PhD to figure out? Not this one. Lens Studio is Snap's free AR creation platform built for anyone who wants to design lenses or experiment with AR. And no, you don't need any coding background or fancy gear, just your ideas. Inside you'll find templates, 3D object placement tools, animation, text, tracking, and even Bitmoji integration. It's one of those tools where within 5 minutes, your brain goes, wait, I can do this? And that's exactly what happened to me. I started simple, dropped in a few assets, played with some effects, and before I knew it, I had a lens working right on my phone. And within my first hour or two, I built a full lens with effects, Bitmoji, animation, text, and custom graphics. And get this, I even got a little expert help from the GenAI assistant that's built right into Lens Studio. Yep, you can literally use AI to ideate, test ideas, prototype, and implement features on the fly. And because of that built-in help and honestly the smooth onboarding, I published my first lens in under 2 hours of touching the tool for the first time. That's wild. Alright, but let's zoom out for a second, because this isn't just about making cool effects. AR is not just flashy filters anymore. It's how we're starting to tell stories, learn new things, and play in ways that blend reality and imagination. And what I love about Lens Studio is that it opens the door for everyone. It gives everyday creators the same chance to build, explore, and share experiences that once took a full team to make. And on top of that, Snap is rewarding creators for their creativity through the Lens Creator Rewards program, a program that lets your top performing lenses actually collect rewards. So your ideas can literally start paying off. That's motivation and inspiration. But this is the thing though, we're only scratching the surface of what AR can do. And programs like the Spectacle Developer Program shows just how close we are to truly immersive, wearable AR glasses. Tools like Lens Studio is building a bridge between imagination and reality, and you can walk across it right now. This is the blueprint for the next era of creativity. So if you ever wanted to create something that's truly magical, now's your moment. So, if you haven't already, go download Lens Studio completely for free, run through the tutorials, play around, and see what you can build. With GenAI built in, amazing onboarding, and a rewards program for creators. This is where ideas go from what if to look, it's live. I mean, why wait on the future when you can download it right now? Keep creating, keep experimenting, and as always, make sure you get things done. It's your boy Jay Dunn, and I'll see you next time. Peace.